Hello kids, how are you? Today we will try to learn capital letter A to Z capital letter as A for aeroplane, B for butterfly, C for camel, D for dog. Get start and like subscribe my YouTube channel. Sky blue color. Capital A for ant and A for aeroplane. Next kids, capital B for buffalo and B for ball. Next, capital C for camel and C for candy. Next, capital D for dog and D for donkey. Capital E for elephant and E for egg. Next kids, capital F for fish and F for fly. Like subscribe my YouTube channel. Yellow color. Capital G for gun and G for goat. Capital H for home and H for helicopter. Capital I for ice cream. Capital J for jug and J for joker. Capital K for king and K for kite. Capital L for lion and L for lemon. Capital M for monkey and M for mango. Next, color change. Pink color. Capital N for net and N for near. Capital O for orange and O for ox. Capital P for pen and P for parrot. Next kids, capital Q for queen and Q for quarrel. Capital R for rat and R for rabbit. Capital S for sunflower and S for sun. Next kids, capital T for time and T for teacher. Next, like subscribe my YouTube channel. Red color. Capital U for umbrella and U for USA. Capital V for van and V for vulture. Capital W for watermelon and W for water. Capital X for Xmas tree and X for extra. Last, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Last kids, capital Z for zebra and Z for zip. Let's learn capital letter A to Z capital letter. Like, subscribe my YouTube channel. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and last Z. Like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, kids. Hello kids, how are you? Today we will try to learn capital letter. A to Z capital letter. Get a start and like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Sky blue color. A. Capital A. Capital B. Capital C. Capital D. Capital E. F. Next G. H. Next kids, yellow color. I. J. K. Capital L. M. N. O. P. Pink color. Capital Q. R. S. T. U. V. Next W. X. Y. And last kids Z. Let's learn capital letter. A to Z capital letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Repeat. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Repeat. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Repeat. W, X, Y, Z. Kids, let's learn capital letter. Like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, kids.